Did you know your iPhone has a whole playlist of ambient background sounds to help you focus, relax, or sleep? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to play ambient sounds on iPhone in iOS 26, and how to add a shortcut to these to your control center. Now let's get started. To add a shortcut to ambient sounds in your control center, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access your control center. Then hold down the empty space at the bottom to get into editing mode. Tap Add a Control. In the search bar, type in Sound. Then select Background Sounds. Move this shortcut where you want it to sit in your control center. Tap the empty space at the bottom to exit customization mode. Hold down the Background Sounds icon to access this feature. Then choose the type of sound you want to listen to. There are options like ocean, rain, stream, fire, rain on roof, and lots more. Tap the sound you want to use, and adjust the volume to your liking. Once you've selected a sound, you can simply tap the icon to turn background sounds on or off. Hold it down to open the full menu and select a different sound. That's all it takes to use ambient sounds on iPhone in iOS 26. To learn about more new iOS 26 features, check out our full playlist of iOS 26 tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.